quickly recoup the investment, and small machines are cheap, but there is usually a lot of competition. You will definitely find a machine for your business if you watch this video till the end. Let's go.
A plastic bag making machine is a versatile and efficient machine that can produce various types of plastic bags at a relatively low cost. While it requires a significant investment upfront, it can help to reduce labor costs and increase production capacity, making it a valuable asset for small businesses. Plastic bag making machines can be used in a variety of industries, including retail, food, and agriculture, and can create bags in different sizes, shapes, and colors to meet the specific needs of customers. Thermoplastic machines are used to melt and shape thermoplastic materials into various products such as pipes, fittings, and sheets. These machines use heat and pressure to mold the plastic into the desired shape. The benefits of thermoplastic machines include their versatility, durability, and ease of maintenance. They are commonly used in the construction, automotive, and medical industries, among others. A wet wipe machine is a machine that is used to produce wet wipes or moist towelettes. Wet wipes are disposable cloths that are moistened with a cleaning solution, and they can be used for a variety of purposes such as personal hygiene, cleaning, and sanitization. Wet wipe machines are efficient and can produce a high volume of wipes quickly and consistently. However, they require regular maintenance and cleaning to ensure optimal performance. They are commonly used in the healthcare, hospitality, and personal care industries. A water jet cutter is a high-tech machine that uses a powerful stream of water to cut through a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, and stone. The machine works by forcing water through a small nozzle at high pressure, which creates a narrow, precise stream of water that can cut through the material. Water jet cutters are efficient, precise, and versatile, making them ideal for a wide range of applications in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. However, they can be expensive to operate and require specialized training to use safely. The stainless steel sponge machine is a high-capacity machine that can produce cleaning sponges made out of stainless steel. These sponges are ideal for cleaning tough stains and grime off of kitchen appliances and surfaces. With its efficient production capabilities, this machine is a great investment for those who want to start a cleaning sponge business. The vertical wall printer is a unique machine that can be used to print custom designs on walls. This machine uses inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints directly onto a wall surface. It is a great investment for those who want to start a mural-making business or who want to offer customized wall designs to customers. The printer is easy to operate and can produce large-scale prints quickly and efficiently. It is also versatile, allowing for the use of different colors and designs. Overall, the vertical wall printer is a great tool for those looking to start a business in wall design and decoration. The high-pressure carpet cleaning machine is a great investment for those interested in starting a carpet cleaning business. It has a high cleaning capacity and can remove stubborn stains from carpets and upholstery. With its efficient cleaning capabilities, this machine is a valuable asset for small businesses looking to offer professional carpet cleaning services. However, it may require specialized training to operate safely and effectively. The rust removal laser cleaning machine is an invaluable tool for those looking to enter the metal restoration business. It uses advanced laser technology to effectively remove rust and other contaminants from metal surfaces, leaving them with a clean and polished finish. This machine is versatile and can be used on a variety of metal surfaces, including steel, aluminum, and copper. It is a great investment for those looking to offer high-quality metal restoration services to their clients. However, it is important to note that the machine can be expensive to operate and may require specialized training to use safely and effectively. Cement brick-making machine is a great investment for those who want to start a brick-making business. This machine can produce high-quality bricks with a smooth surface, high density, and low water absorption. It also has a high production capacity, making it an ideal tool for small businesses looking to produce bricks for construction projects. With its efficient production capabilities, this machine can help to reduce labor costs and increase production capacity, making it a valuable asset for small businesses. However, it may require specialized training to operate safely and effectively. If you're starting a garage business, the fully automatic wire mesh making machine is a great choice for expanding your product offerings. This machine can produce high-quality wire mesh quickly and efficiently, allowing you to meet demand and offer a wider range of products to your customers. Additionally, the machine is easy to operate and maintain, making it a reliable and cost-effective investment for a new business. The glove knitting machine is a piece of equipment that can automate the process of making gloves, allowing for faster production and greater consistency in the final product. This machine can be a valuable addition to a business that specializes in glove production or offers gloves as part of their product line. The machine is designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain, making it a good investment for a new or expanding business. With this machine, businesses can increase their output while maintaining a high level of quality in their products. The automatic vertical packing machine is designed to quickly and efficiently package a variety of products into bags. This machine can be used for packaging food items, such as chips or candy, as well as non-food items, such as screws or bolts. It is easy to operate and maintain, making it a valuable investment for businesses looking to increase their production and streamline their packaging processes. The laser engraver wood metal laser cutter is a versatile machine that can be used to cut and engrave a variety of materials. It is commonly used in the manufacturing industry and by hobbyists to create intricate designs on metal, wood, and other materials. The machine uses a laser beam to cut and engrave the material, allowing for precise and detailed work. It is a valuable investment for businesses and individuals looking to expand their capabilities and create high-quality products. For entrepreneurs starting their own business, the plastic bottles making machine can be a valuable investment for producing plastic bottles quickly and efficiently. This machine is easy to operate and maintain, making it a great choice for those who are new to the manufacturing industry. By investing in this machine, new businesses can increase their production and offer a wider range of products to their customers. The laser cutting machines for acrylic are a type of laser cutting machine that are specifically designed for cutting and engraving acrylic materials. These machines use a laser beam to cut and engrave the acrylic, allowing for precise and intricate designs to be created. They are commonly used in the manufacturing industry and by hobbyists to create high-quality products, such as signage, displays, and decorative items. Investing in this machine can help businesses and individuals expand their capabilities and produce a wider range of products. Cultured stone molds are used to create artificial stone veneers that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as home decor, landscaping, and construction. These molds are typically made of silicone or polyurethane and are designed to replicate the look and texture of natural stone. They are a valuable investment for businesses looking to expand their product offerings or individuals looking to create custom stone pieces for their home or garden. The CNC foam cutter with rotary is a piece of equipment that can be used to cut and shape a variety of foam materials. It is designed to be highly precise, allowing for intricate designs and shapes to be created. Additionally, the rotary feature allows for 360-degree cutting, making it a versatile tool for a range of applications. This machine can be a valuable investment for businesses and individuals looking to expand their capabilities and create high-quality foam products. The chalk production machine is a valuable investment for businesses and individuals looking to produce chalk. It is designed to be easy to operate and maintain, allowing for increased production and high-quality products at a lower cost. This machine is a great choice for those in the chalk production industry or anyone looking to create their own chalk. Pottery machines are specialized equipment designed to help create individual dishes for crafts. These machines come in a variety of shapes and sizes and are used to shape and mold clay into different forms, such as bowls or plates. They are commonly used by artists and crafters to create unique and personalized pieces and can be a valuable investment for businesses that specialize in handmade pottery products. The 3D foot scanner custom orthotic insole machine is a specialized piece of equipment that can create custom orthotic insoles for individuals with foot issues. The machine uses 3D scanning technology to create a precise model of the individual's foot, which is then used to create a custom insole that fits perfectly. This machine is a valuable investment for businesses that specialize in foot care products or for individuals looking to create custom orthotics for themselves or their clients.
Machine for the production of rubber crumb from old tires. This machine shreds old tires into crumbs, which can later be used in construction and other industries. This is quite a budget production, because the tires can be found for free at garbage dumps, tire repair shops, advertise that you ecologically recycle tires, and they can even be found on the streets. Of course, I am talking about lying around the tires, not to remove them from cars. Use this crumb rubber for the production of paving tiles, curbs, rubber posts, playgrounds, punching bags, insulation, mesh mats, and much more. For what? Quite a promising line of business in my opinion. As we said in the previous video about businesses that never fail, The medical industry will grow regardless of the economic situations in the world. Therefore, producing medical supplies would be a great idea. I want to offer you the production of medical caps, which is a disposable product that runs out quickly and is easy to produce. To produce it, you will need a special non-woven material, and that's it. Then the machine itself will automatically produce medical caps all day and all night, bringing you almost a passive income. Stable business can be built only on goods and services that are in demand regardless of external circumstances. Soap is one of those goods. People will always strive for hygiene and cleanliness of the body. The soap-making machine does this automatically, only requiring attention when setting up. The machine can produce up to 6,500 pounds of soap per hour fully automatically with packaging. You can also buy a machine that will produce 300 pounds of soap per hour, but will be more compact and cheaper. Soap is needed by all the people on the planet, so making soap will be a profitable business. Chain making would be another automatic business that does not require much attention. You can buy a chain making machine starting at $2,600. You will also need metal wire, and then it's a matter of technique. The machine will produce 400 pounds of chain per hour or more depending on the model and thickness of the wire. Chain is used in construction, marine, livestock and motor vehicles, so you won't have a problem with customers. Paper napkins are also an essential commodity for modern people and businesses. They are often used in cafes, restaurants, and public toilets. You can buy a machine for the production of napkins from $2,700. Slightly more expensive, you can buy a fully automatic machine and start mass production of napkins. The cost per pack of napkins is very small, which allows you to sell them at a large margin. You can also produce napkins not for retail sales and for the B2B segment, which is for business. So you will have a predictable profit and constant sales. Soap bubble machine. No, we will not be selling bubbles. Instead, a professional bubble machine can be rented out for parties, weddings, concerts, and other events. The cost per machine is $43. The business costs can be recouped from one rental of the machine. You can also rent a smoke machine and a machine producing foam for parties. They cost a little more, but the costs are recouped literally after a couple of rentals of this equipment. I suggest you buy a Lamborghini. Just $150 and you have this children's car. All kidding aside, these children's electric cars are in demand in parks where parents walk with young children. Children will persuade their parents to drive these electronic cars under any pretext. Such a car will pay for itself in a couple of weeks. Vending machines with candy, toys, and other items. Vending business is a very good business. The main thing in this business is to find a place for a vending machine in a passable place and with cheap rent. Bring and fill the vending machine and come every couple of weeks to pick up the profit and add the goods. More ideas for vending business you can see in our video about the most unusual vending machines. Inflatable playgrounds will be a great addition to electric cars for kids. On such trampolines, children can play with each other for hours, and you can earn money. Especially a lot can be earned if there are local holidays, where people usually walk the whole family in the parks and have fun. You can buy one inflatable town and a few cars and offer a job to a student for the summer to run this mini entertainment center. The candle making machine is an uncomplicated construction, a mold for pouring candles and wicks inserted into this mold. You just need to pour the molten wax into the mold, wait for solidification, which occurs fairly quickly, cut off excess wax, and remove the candles from the mold. Candles are ready for packaging and sale. This is certainly not a passive source of income, but quite profitable. Machines for the production of house cleaning brushes and brooms. The machine is semi-automatic, it does all the work by itself, you just need to move the blanks. A special program helps the machine drill holes in the right places for the bristles, and another helps insert the bristles into the brush. Mini excavators are equipment for small excavation work. Digging a hole, changing the landscape of the area. All this is within the power of this little guy. The demand for such services is growing steadily with the development of cities, and they are quite inexpensive, from $2,000. For a few services rendered, you can recoup the cost of buying such equipment.
Coffee roasting. It makes no sense to argue with the fact that coffee has now gained unprecedented popularity in all countries. A large number of cafes, fast food restaurants, coffee shops need high-quality fresh roasted coffee. Prices for coffee roasting machines from China start at $2,800. You also need to buy quality fresh coffee beans and start experimenting with roasting. Cafes and restaurants really need fresh roasted beans because that's what makes the best coffee. A very cheap tool to start making money is the engraver pen. With it, you can put pictures and inscriptions on almost any surface: plastic, metal, glass, gold, etc. You can provide engraving services for engagement rings, knives, weapons, glassware, and more. You can also order a batch of, for example, knives, engrave a popular place on each of them and sell them as souvenirs for tourists. You can think of hundreds of other ways you can make money from engraver pen, but the biggest plus is the minimal risks. Laser hair removal is a procedure for removing hair by applying pulses of laser radiation, which destroys the hair follicle. After a course of procedures, the hair doesn't grow for several years. Having bought an inexpensive laser epilator, you can provide this service in your city. You can start with your friends and acquaintances, and then the word spreads that you provide this service. If you have excellent physical shape, then with the lawnmower, you can earn good capital to expand this business or the development of further businesses. No one likes to mow the lawn at his place because it is noisy, long, and boring. Therefore, by offering such services, you solve the customer's pain. And consequently, there will be many such customers. With the help of this pelletizer, you can start producing feed for pets and cattle. Mixing ingredients for different animals and passing through this machine, you have a pelleted feed. There is nothing complicated about this business. Even the search for customers is not so complicated. You can place an ad on the internet or ask around the nearest farms to you. Also, from ordinary sawdust, you can start producing cat litter with this machine. With a sublimation printer, you can customize a large number of things such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, fabric, and so on. Now, there is a high demand for print on demand, both from companies who want to please their employees with interesting gifts, among bloggers who produce their own merchandise, as well as ordinary people who want to make an unusual gift for their loved ones. Such business does not require large investments, and you can start with a very small amount. A cutting plotter is another good source of income. You can use it to cut stickers, from small ones for writing notes and notebooks to large ones for cars, advertisements, signs, etc. You can provide printing and cutting services for credit cards, for phones, for car stickers with the owner's social media accounts. Show your imagination and you'll find plenty of other uses for this plotter. A machine that makes ice. Commercial machines like these start at $550. They will create a source of passive income for you. Water is an affordable and cheap consumable for this business. All you have to do is find cafes, restaurants, stores, or vending machine owners who need ice. Healthy lifestyles are gaining huge momentum right now. People are tired of eating junk food and then dealing with the consequences of that lifestyle. A dehydrator will help you make dried snacks without sugar or oil. You can dry bananas, strawberries, melons, make fruit marshmallows, dry meat, fish, poultry, creating delicious snacks for people who lead a healthy lifestyle. Tree stump remover will help remove any stumps from the plot. There are millions of homes being built and sold right now. Not everyone needs trees on their property. Professional lumberjacks cut down trees on the property, but they can't remove the stumps. Here you appear with your service, solving the problem of unnecessary stumps on the site. The machine can buy from $500. You can pay off quickly enough. Drones for shooting video. Having mastered the skill of controlling the drone and shooting great videos, you can offer services for shooting wedding videos, shooting sports, shooting houses for real estate companies. You can also go into freelancing and sell your videos on stock sites. Now also gaining popularity, FPV drones, which have greater mobility and with it more complicated to control such a drone. A floor printer is a unique machine that can be used to print individual drawings on the floor. This machine uses inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints directly on the floor surface. The printer is easy to use and can produce large-scale prints quickly and efficiently. Overall, the floor printer is a great tool for those looking to start a design and floor decoration business.
Tufting gun. A great buy for those who want to start making handmade rugs. You will also need a special fabric. Any fabric with a uniform weave structure will do. And the frame on which the fabric will be attached to work. Once the pattern is done and the rug is almost ready, you need to apply glue on the backside to fix the yarn. Next you need to trim the rug and make the final edits. Put the rug up for sale on social media or local classified sites. Digital automatic sewing machine. I've always wondered how embroideries are created on clothes. Turns out it happens thanks to these automatic machines. You load the design you want to print into the program, attach the garment to the sewing machine, and the image is automatically printed. If you want to create your own brand or create unique custom garments, this would be a great buy. Large soft toys are in demand right now. This is a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, etc. But no need to buy huge toys in China, you will pay a lot of money for shipping. Instead, I suggest buying a plush toy filling machine and skins for them. They won't take up much space, and when you need them you can easily fill the skins with soft material and sell them. Painting by numbers is a very creative and interesting gift. The receiver will not only get the picture, but also the emotion of painting it. You can make paintings to order, or you can buy several designs and sell them on ad sites, through social networks or in local art stores. This is a business for those who love creativity and self-expression. A popcorn machine is a great option if you want to sell something edible. You buy kernels of corn, test flavors of different popcorn, and you're ready to sell. I would suggest experimenting with flavors to get loyal customers who will like your particular popcorn. You can sell your products in parks, movie theaters, local stores, etc. Badge making machine is not expensive, but with its help you can make interesting designer badges. Badges are an interesting accessory that will complement any style. You can print badges with your designs and make good money on it. You can sell them on online classified sites like Etsy or on social media. The 3D ceramic printing machine is ideal for designers of tableware and interior design. You can create interesting design tableware without any pottery skills. You only need to master 3D modeling software on your computer. Now there are a lot of such programs and they are quite user-friendly. It all depends on your creativity. If you have a lot of it, you can quickly pay off and create your own design brand. A balloon printing machine is a great way to make money, without any special skills and with a minimal investment of labor in the process. The machine is semi-automatic, you just need to fix the balloons and choose the design that will be printed on them. You can sell through online advertising sites, social networks, or negotiate with event agencies for the supply of such balloons. If you like to create design things, a laser engraving machine is great for creating paintings, lettering, and design products. The cost of producing these things is small, and you can sell them at a high price, because they are unique design products created especially for the customer. You can start selling to friends, then Etsy, eBay, social networks, etc. Handmade candles are quite a competitive business. But if you are creative enough to bring your own vision to the business, you will have a lot of customers. Experiment with shapes, smells, colors, and fillings and you will find your customer. If you have tried Italian cheese and now you cannot eat the cheese that is sold in your store, you can open a mini production of homemade cheese. For this you will need some equipment and knowledge of how to make cheese. You can find them on the internet. This is not only a profitable business, but also very enjoyable, if you like to eat cheese. 3D printing is one of the most innovative ways of making jewelry models of any level of complexity. Using this technology, the designer creates a model of the future product from polymers or wax, which after being covered with a plaster solution becomes a ready mold for molding jewelry. Jewelry 3D printing saves customers money and time, leaves almost no production waste and allows you to create unique items made according to the author's sketches in a single copy. If you know how to process wood, then making wooden computer cases can be a profitable business for you. Wooden computer cases do not heat up, are lightweight and durable, and also fit well into the interior of the house. One of the most popular materials is birch plywood, which is known for its beauty and durability. Other types of wood, such as cherry, can also be used. Production of tabletop biofires is a process of creating small fireplaces that can be installed on a table or other surface. Special materials are used for the production of such fireplaces, which ensure the safe operation of the device. And also a safe, non-toxic, odorless biofuel is used. These biofuels can be used as interior decoration or for heating the room. Growing microgreens at home can be a profitable business. It is the process of growing different kinds of plants, such as basil, cilantro, arugula, and others, in a small space. This can be an interesting business for those who want to farm but do not have a large plot of land. With proper care, microgreens mature quickly and are of high value for cooking. The microgreens grown can be sold in markets, health food stores, or restaurants. This business can start with a small investment and has great potential for growth.
Applying temporary tattoos is now easy and fast with just one gadget, the miniature handheld prinker tattoo printer. It prints with safe cosmetic ink, and any image is applied to your skin in just 3 seconds. At the same time, one cartridge filling is enough for about 1,000 tattoos. Such a gadget can be not only a great addition to a tattoo salon, but also used independently for printing drawings to order. It can also be used to print logos and promotional lettering at sporting events, fairs and festivals, used in street marketing, weddings, corporate events and parties. Complete with a single black cartridge, such a printer can be found for $250. In a set with several cartridges of different colors and a primer, it will cost about $500. A very cheap tool to start making money is the engraver pen. It costs only $15 for such a multifunctional tool with all nozzles. With its help you can apply drawings and inscriptions on almost any surface, plastic, metal, glass, gold and others. You can provide engraving services for engagement rings, knives, guns, glassware, and more. An oxygen cocktail is a cocktail that contains a higher concentration of oxygen than normal air. Such cocktails can have a beneficial effect on the human body, improving its general condition and increasing energy levels. A business idea based on oxygen cocktails can be interesting, especially in cities with a bad environment and high levels of stress. Oxygen cocktails can be sold in cafes, gyms, beauty salons and other places where people want to get extra energy in oxygen. Hydrogel film cutting plotters allow you to cut it to fit any of the thousands of modern smartphone models, and do it in a matter of seconds. The productivity of the plotters is about 2,000 films per day, which in any case would exceed the real needs by hundreds of times. The updated base of the plotter has templates for all possible models of phones, smartwatches, and fitness bracelets. The hydrogel films themselves are easy to glue and provide good protection against bumps and scratches. Especially the presence of such a plotter can make life easier for the mobile accessory shop. After all, phone models tend to become outdated, which means that stores are increasingly cluttered with a liquid product. You can buy hydrogel film plotters from as little as $350. A nail printer business is a business involving the application of designs and patterns to nails using a special printer. Such a business can be very profitable, especially if you offer quality services and use creative and original designs. To start such a business you will need a nail printer and gel paints, as well as a place to rent with high traffic. I recommend a mall. In addition, you can create your own website and use social media to promote your business. Churros are a type of sweet fried custard pastry native to Spain, where they are traditionally served for breakfast. Churros come in thick and thin shapes, straight, jagged, spiral, and ring-shaped. Naturally, such a rather exotic pastry could not go unnoticed by entrepreneurs looking for street food trends. The process of making churros is simple. A semi-automatic churros extruder is used. Ready dough is placed on top of the machine's barrel, then a handle is twisted to squeeze the churros right into the oil of the fryer. You can sprinkle the finished churros with cinnamon, powdered sugar, dip them in chocolate or jam, add toppings, or sprinkle with salt. You can buy a churros machine for as little as $100 to $200. One popular and unusual type of food printer is a drawing printer for coffee, milkshakes, ice cream, and other desserts. With such printers, you can print quite complex images, and such a coffee or dessert can naturally be sold at a higher price than a regular one and profitably set yourself apart from other competitors in the coffee business. This replaces the professionalism of baristas. After all, the skill of latte art is something they learn over the years. Now, thanks to the advent of such printers, latte art created on a coffee printer can boast even very small coffee shops without a name and advanced staff. What is printed on coffee? Oh, everything that is embedded in the base of the printer, but for an exclusive of this base need to supplement the original drawings and photos. For example, you can print photos of customers themselves on coffee. If you like creating designer things, a laser engraving machine is great for creating paintings, lettering, and design products. The cost of producing these things is small, and you can sell them at a high price, because they are unique design products created especially for the customer. You can start selling to friends, then Etsy, eBay, social networks, etc. Smartphones and other wearable electronics are an indispensable part of human beings in the 21st century. Smartphones often break or get dirty. A kit to remove dust and fingerprints from a smartphone costs only $5. A phone disassembly kit also costs $5. Basically, figuring out how to disassemble and repair smartphones is not that difficult. There are a bunch of guides for all models on the internet. If you are interested, then opening a smartphone repair service will be a great idea for you. A dye sublimation mug printer business can be very profitable, especially if you offer quality services and use creative and original designs. To start such a business, you will need design skills as well as special equipment, including a dye sublimation printer, a portable press, and printing kits. You can start by offering services at home, at fairs, through an online store, or by renting a small office to attract more customers. You can also create your own website and use social media to promote your business.
Fashion and new technology have been collaborating more and more lately. Even the recent performance with Bella Hadid in the liquid dress is an incredible thing to behold. Also, large companies such as Adidas and Nike are already using 3D printing technology to create unique sneakers, which can't be made without a 3D printer. I propose to print sneakers and slippers on a 3D printer. The internet is full of different models ready to print. You also need to take care of the materials to print them. You can't print them with plastic. There is a special rubber filament for printing. Printing unique figures from games, movies, cartoons, or TV series. Printing and coloring character figures can be a profitable business if you already love this activity. Not all games have collectible figures, and people so want to have the memory of their favorite game on a shelf. Find customers in thematic communities for certain movies, games, TV series. Need to master the skill of coloring figures. Start with something easy, without complex shapes and patterns. If you are a fan of elegant interiors, you will love the idea of printing decorative items with ceramics on a special 3D ceramic printer. Model or search the internet for ready-to-print models of vases, frames, planters, lampshades, and sculptures. Then print them on a 3D printer and fire them in a special kiln. Such unique work will be well appreciated by people with good taste and a large wallet. Customers can be found on Etsy, eBay, or by showing the process of creating art pieces in TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. There's also another niche you can pursue in fashion: printing gold and silver jewelry. Of course, to print gold and silver has not yet been discovered, but it is possible to design and print a model of a unique plastic jewelry piece on a high-precision 3D printer, and then create a mold on its basis for casting gold and silver. Such jewelry will be highly valued for its uniqueness and a single copy created especially for a particular person. 3D printing is unique in that you can model unusual mechanisms, test them in computer programs, and then print the working model. One such model is a mechanical wall clock. It is a unique thing combining the old clock mechanism and new technology. Accuracy of such clocks is small and they can work up to 20 hours without winding. Try to print one for yourself or put it up for sale on Craigslist, eBay, or Etsy. A broken part of an expensive car can cost the owner a lot of money or a lot of lost time waiting for delivery from the other side of the world. You can provide modeling and 3D printing of such a model to your customers. You can also engage in car tuning with parts printed on a 3D printer. You can look for clients at meetings of owners of expensive or unique cars, or in tuning salons. You won't believe it, but 3D printers are able to print 3D printers. Not entirely, of course, but the mechanical parts of the body to print is quite possible, and many do. All you have to do is order metal guides and electronics parts and you have a complete 3D printer, printed on another printer. Such printers can be sold to people who are also into 3D printing or for yourself, increasing the efficiency of your production. You do not have to have a 3D printer to start your journey into 3D printing. You can start by designing models for 3D printing to order. You can work with 3D printing companies or with clients directly. This method will help you accumulate initial capital, customer base, and later buy a printer and provide printing services to your customers. Printing unique musical instruments or parts for them can be a profitable business. Unique bodies for guitar, violin, and other instruments that cannot be reproduced by traditional manufacturing will be valued. Unique instruments such as ocarinas for fans of the Zelda games could also be printed. Oops, more on that later. If you're an animal lover, you can get into the really valuable business of printing prosthetics for animals. Make comfortable, functional prostheses for animals and make this world a better place by helping the soft lumps of happiness. You can start by donating prosthetics to animal shelters. Is printing an entire house on a 3D printer a myth? No, it's a common reality. For a long time now, there are 3D printers that can print an entire house with cement. Of course, this is not a budget option for business development, but you can try. Buyers will be found, because this construction of the house does not require a huge number of specialists in the construction of houses with traditional materials. Geek culture has a huge audience, and in it fans of cosplay. Such people create costumes of their favorite characters from games and movies to express themselves at events like Comic-Con. With the help of 3D printing, you can create such a costume with high precision and attention to detail. Also with some knowledge of electronics to create a costume that is fully functional and replicates one from a game or movie. Can you print with chocolate? Of course you can, but you need a special 3D printer for chocolate. With it, you can print different unique figures, characters, and decor for cakes or desserts. Stand out from your competitors in the confectionery business by having such innovative technology, and you will have no shortage of customers. You can also work with companies that build houses, parks, and districts. You can print scaled-down models of these structures to be used as a showcase for investors or future buyers. These companies need these models more than ever. Unique custom cookie cutters can be a good business for you. You don't need a lot of experience or knowledge to model such models. Such products will be in demand for various holidays or birthdays, because people appreciate unique things that only they have and no one else. You can make cookie cutters from a photo of a person, a photo of an animal, unique words or letters. Prototyping new products is another way to make money for those who have a 3D printer. Thanks to prototypes, it is possible to show investors a product without spending a lot of money for its full production. Once Steve Jobs was brought an iPod prototype, he didn't like the big size, but the Apple engineers said they couldn't make it more compact. Steve Jobs threw the prototype into a fishbowl and it bubbled up. And he said, "There's a lot of unused space inside, put it away." With prototypes, we get a more perfect product. You can print unique handmade candle molds on a 3D printer. You can print and make the candles yourself or contact local businesses that may need your services. Unique candles will be in demand, so don't be afraid to turn down candle makers. All people on Earth love puzzles. You can come up with your own puzzles or print existing models, of which there are many on the internet. If you do have 3D modeling skills, you can produce your own unique puzzles and sell them through Amazon. Organizers are a very handy thing to keep your home tidy and quiet. You can start printing organizers for various items such as shoes, beads, screws, wires, memory cards, keys, coffee pods, and more. It's better to do it to order, so you don't have a pile of unsold items in your home. Children's toys, another kind of income on 3D printing. The internet is full of all kinds of toy models. Some of them have a unique design which cannot be repeated without a 3D printer.
Presenting pizza in the form of cones is a new trend in the street food business. The cone pizza business is different from traditional pizza parlors because it provides a street atmosphere and quick service. Pizza cones can be filled with a variety of toppings to satisfy even the most discerning customers. Pizza cones are the perfect choice for people who love pizza but want to try something new and different. The business of selling freshly squeezed juices in a fruit-shaped stall is a new and unusual street food format. The stall offers a wide range of fresh fruit juices that can be purchased to go. The opportunity to order freshly squeezed fruit juice will attract people who care about their health and want to consume natural products. The fruit-shaped stall will add atmosphere and uniqueness around the sale of freshly squeezed juices, which will help to attract new customers. The business of selling UFO burgers is a new trend in the street food business, which attracts the attention of fans of unusual and delicious food. UFO burgers differ from traditional burgers in their shape and unusualness, which makes them attractive to those who want to try something new and interesting. Overall, the business of selling UFO burgers is an attractive option for those who want to go into the field of street food and offer their customers something truly new and delicious. The Japanese mochi machine will be a great buy for those who want to stand out in the field of street food desserts. Mochi are small, sweet Japanese rice cakes with ice cream inside. The rice dough has a very delicate flavor, combining very well with the ice cream. Let's take our minds off food for a while. These days everyone wants to stand out, especially on social media. This 3D video prop will help you do just that. Put it in a park or mall and everyone will want to try it. This business does not require a large investment and can pay for itself in 2 to 3 months. The business of selling fried ice cream is a relatively new trend in the food industry. Although the concept was developed in China, it quickly spread around the world. One of the nuances of this business is the need to select certain ingredients to create delicious and unique products. Also, it is important to monitor the quality of the product and its hygienic conditions during production. The profitability of this business depends on many factors, such as the location of the point of sale, competition in the market, the level of demand, etc. However, if you have the right approach to the organization of the business and competently promote your product, it can become very profitable and successful. The business of making and selling cheese balls can be promising, since cheese is loved by many people and is a popular ingredient in various dishes. Competition in the market can be high, so it is important to attract the attention of potential buyers with your product. Various marketing tools can be used for this purpose, such as social media or advertising brochures. One of the advantages of this business is the possibility of customizing the product to the individual wishes of customers. For example, you can offer different types of toppings for cheese balls or different portion sizes. Equipment for the production of sausages in an egg will allow you to stand out among competitors selling regular hot dogs. With this machine you can quickly prepare an unusual snack that is very easy to eat on the go. Think of several flavors: spicy, sweet, salty, etc. Use different sausages, different toppings and seasonings. Taiyaki is a Japanese waffle shaped like a fish. The most popular filling is anko jam made from adzuki beans. But for the Western market, you can use chocolate, cheese, or ice cream. Beautiful and aesthetically pleasing waffles with tasty toppings will definitely catch the attention of customers, especially if you open your first such establishment in your city. We couldn't help but talk about the soft-serve ice cream machine. This machine makes that perfect soft-serve ice cream out of cream, berry syrup, and sugar. You must have tasted it by now, right? You can also buy an ice cream cone maker along with it, and make a full-fledged business selling high-quality and very tasty ice cream. A corn dog is a sausage that is covered with a thick layer of cornmeal dough and fried in hot oil. A corn dog is the equivalent of a sausage in dough or a hot dog. It is almost always served on a wooden stick, although some early versions had no sticks. Quite a popular street food in the present day. If you want to open a corn dog stand, you will need to differentiate yourself from the competition with different flavors, sauces, serving, or location. This seafood pancake machine are mainly used to process fresh aquatic products, such as fresh shrimp, squid, fish, jellyfish. All kinds of fresh aquatic materials are wrapped in special flour and put directly into the machine for processing without any additives. It takes only 2 or 3 minutes to make a thin, crisp, fresh, healthy and delicious seafood pancake. The shape of all kinds of aquatic products is completely displayed on the pancakes, while enjoying the health and delicacy, appreciating the beauty of natural creatures. How fantastic! Imigawayaki is a Japanese dessert that is often found at festivals. It is made from dough in a special pan, similar to a waffle iron, but without the honeycomb structure, and is filled with a sweet adzuki bean paste. Although the variety of fillings increases in popularity: vanilla cream, custard, various fruits, jams, curries, various meat and vegetable fillings, potatoes, and mayonnaise. Imigawayaki are similar to dorayaki, but in the latter the filling is added to the pancakes after cooking and they are often served cold. A waffle iron in the shape of a bulldog or a banana. Want to stand out from the competition? Differentiate yourself with the shape of your waffles.